employee payroll calculator. So for the associative array, we have this according to the example given. And first is the calculating of gross pay function. So it takes these parameters, the days worked and the employee daily rate parameters, and it multiplies it in the same in the instructions. And also for the net pay, it's the same here. We take these required parameters, the gross pay and the deduction, and we subtract it. And for the format name, I also made a function that uses the function UCWords, which uppercases the first letter of each word. So that is why when this here is all lowercase, but when it's displayed, it is an uppercase. As you can see here, we use that function here. So for the displaying the payroll, we use first is we call the global value, which is global variable, which was the employees, which is our associative array, and we declared total cost here so that it will be added after looping in the for each loop. So for each loop is for looping through the array, and I used the table HTML to display my tables. And we called the gross pay here using this, so that when I call it here, it gets number format, which is a function to make your integers or floats, I guess, to be grouped in the thousands. So without this number format function, this would be only display without this comma. And after each loop over the array, it will add the net pay to the total cost, which allows us to get this total as per the instructions here, where it is required to display the total payroll. And for the descending employees in descending, so displaying the employees in a descending order according to their net pay, we made another array to store the employees to store the employees net pay, each of their net pay in the array. So this for each takes the key and the value, which is the employee, so it stores it inside the net pay array. And when it gets stored, it uses our sort to sort all the values, and then this sorts this stores all those sorted out values, sorted out employees inside this array. So after that, the same is done, but we use sorted employees instead of the employees array. And so after that is the display the highest employees, which does the same. It's the same as this, but we only take the first in the array to get the first name in the array, which would be the highest. And as you can see here, it is Daniel Herrera, and it is also Daniel Herrera here. So after all of those are defined, we call them, and I added some headers here according to the specific function. That is all.